Recording?
It's gone.
Recording?
Alright, yo, this is So.La Promotions. Check in. This is our crib in Austin, Texas. And you know, every time we do MTV Cribs, you gotta look in the fridge and see what's up. So check this out, man.
Let's see.
You know, we got some jelly from 1940, some whipped cream.
What is this? What is this right here?
That's poison.
That's a track conditioner. A deodorant for besides some dogs.
AKA poison.
Man, I miss my dog.
You know what? We really haven't touched this in a while, so this is kind of embarrassing. We're just gonna close this and act like nothing ever happened. So.La Promotions, www.myspace.com.
/MySpace/So.La Promotions.
No beer in pictures.
You know.